1. The ozone hole is a much larger springtime decrease in blank ozone around Earth's polar regions. A. Exospheric. B. Stratospheric. C. Thermospheric. D. All of the above. Two. The ozone layer can be found blank. A. At the peaks of mountains. B. Many miles up in the sky. C. In the core of the Earth. D. In the haze above cities. Three. The following forms of oxygen is, or, are involved in the ozone-oxygen cycle. A. Atomic oxygen or O. B. Diatomic oxygen or O2. C. Triatomic oxygen or O3. D. None of the above. Four. Ozone in the Earth's stratosphere is created by UV light striking blank molecule. A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Water. D. Carbon dioxide. Five. The ozone layer is made of blank. A. Water. B. Soil. C. Gases. D. Ice. Six. The ozone layer stops most of the harmful blank from hitting Earth. A. CFCs. B. Carbon dioxide gas. C. Hlorofluorocarbons. D. UV rays. Seven. Which of the following compounds have a less severe effect on the ozone layer? A. CFCs. B. HCFCs. C. HFCs. D. All the compounds are equally severe. Eight. The ozone layer prevents blank from passing through the Earth's atmosphere. A. Ultraviolet rays. B. Infrared rays. C. X-rays. D. All of the above. 9. 1-chlorine or bromine radical liberated has the capability to act as a catalyst and break down blank number of ozone molecules approximately. A. 1,000. B. 10,000. C. 100,000. D. 1 million. 10. The ozone layer is present in which of the following layers of the Earth? A. Mesosphere. B. Ionosphere. C. Stratosphere. D. Troposphere. 11. Which of the following is more reactive in the lower atmosphere or troposphere? A. CFCs. B. HCFCs. C. OHFCs. D. All of the above. 12. UV radiation can cause which of the following more significantly? A. Nervous disorder. B. Heart attack. C. Skin cancer. D. Loss of vision. (13) The Montreal Protocol Treaty has been amended to ban CFC production after year blank in the developed countries. A. 1987. B. 1995. C. 1996. D. 2000. 14. Which one of the following is the largest ozone depletion substation that is emitted through the activities of humans? A. Nitrous oxide. B. Atomic bromine. C. Atomic chlorine. D. Carbon monoxide. 15. The complete phase-out deadline of R22 is by blank in developed countries. A. January 1, 2028. B. January 1, 2030. C. January 1, 2020. D. January 1, 2024. 16. Halons used in fire extinguishers contain blank atoms. A. Bromine. B. Hydrogen. C. Nitrogen. D. Chlorine. 17. The ozone layer is mainly found at blank above the surface of the Earth. A. 20 to 40 miles. B. 6 to 30 miles. C. 60 to 80 miles. D. 40 to 60 miles. 18. The average ozone concentration in Earth's atmosphere as a whole is only about blank parts per million. A. 0.8. B. 0.3. C. 0.1. D. 0.5. 19. The ozone layer absorbs the sun's which of following radiation and prevents it from falling on the Earth's surface? A. Gamma radiation. B. X-rays radiation. C. Infrared radiation. D. UV radiation. 20. What types of compounds can damage the Earth's ozone layer? A. Chlorofluorocarbons. B. Carbon dioxides. C. Pesticides. D. None of the above. 21. Scientists predict that the ozone layer will return to pre-1980 levels by blank. A. 2150 to 2200. B. 2060 to 2075. C. 21,000 to 2120. D. 2030 to 2060. CFCs have atmospheric lifetimes ranging from over blank. A. 100 to 150 years. B. 25 to 50 years. C. 10 to 25 years. D. 50 to 100 years. Ozone layer depletion. The ODP or ozone layer depletion test is a critical tool for assessing the environmental impact of products, processes, and substances. This test measures the potential of a substance to deplete the stratospheric ozone layer, which is essential for protecting life on Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation. By understanding and minimizing the ODP of products and processes, businesses and consumers can make informed decisions to mitigate climate change and protect the planet. The ODP test utilizes advanced atmospheric chemistry evaluation methods to measure the potential of a substance to deplete the ozone layer. This includes laboratory experiments, computer modeling, and field observations to analyze the chemical reactions and transport mechanisms of various compounds in the stratosphere. The ozone layer is a critical component of the Earth's atmosphere, located in the stratosphere. This protective layer shields the planet from the sun's harmful ultraviolet or UV radiation, which can have serious consequences for human health and the environment. Ozone layer depletion is a global issue that has been exacerbated by the widespread use of certain chemicals, particularly chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs, and other ozone-depleting substances or ODSs. Importance of the ozone layer. Protection from UV radiation. The ozone layer absorbs up to 98% of the sun's UVB radiation. This radiation can cause skin cancer, cataracts, immune system damage, and harm marine ecosystems. Temperature regulation. The ozone layer also helps regulate temperatures in the stratosphere, influencing atmospheric circulation patterns that affect global climate. Types of ozone layer and their components. 1. Troposphere. Nitrogen or N2. Oxygen or O2. Argon or AR. Water vapor or H2O. Aerosols. Carbon dioxide or CO2. Ground-level ozone or O3. 2. Stratosphere or ozone layer location. Ozone or O3. Nitrogen or N2. Oxygen or O2. Trace gases. 3. Mesosphere. Nitrogen or N2. Oxygen or O2. Trace ozone or O3. 4. Thermosphere. Atomic oxygen or O. Molecular nitrogen or N2. Helium or He. Ionized particles. 5. Exosphere. Hydrogen or H. Helium or He. Extremely low density.